What's up, guys? So this is a quick one, how to clean white carpet. This is what we do. All right, so we already vacuumed and I pre-sprayed. We're going across it with the CRB type machine. This is multi-wash, but we're scrubbing the carpet, getting that solution agitated into the fiber. That way, by the time we rinse it, everything's pulled off the fiber, all the soil, and extracts very easy. But being it's white carpet, you can run into some issues if you're not thorough when you're cleaning. Okay, so making sure you pre-spray evenly and don't miss any spots in any carpet really, but it's really going to show in white carpet, and you're going to wonder why some certain areas don't clean up well on your extraction. So even pre-spray. Not all the time you need to agitate, but we do have some soil areas in here, so we'll go ahead and agitating. And then on extraction, you have to be very careful not to miss any areas. So if you miss an area of a part that you pre-sprayed, when it dries, it's gonna show up as a dark area. It's brown, called waking. It's gonna look horrible. The customer's gonna call you back. I have had some issues to where my jet was plugged up all the way to partially, and it was leaving streaks, so I'd have to come back and fix that. So checking your jets, making sure that it's got an even flow, not plugged up, very important. And just being very thorough with your passes, and doing dry strokes, of course, so not missing any areas, and being very, very thorough. So what I do before I clean any carpet is I go around and see if there's any specialty stains, organic stains like water spills, coffee spills, and stuff like that. Even pet stains. I'll go through with my organic spotter and just spot it, see something and spray. All right, a quick tip for the truck mount guys. If you're new to this, if you've been doing this for a while, you probably already know. But when you're done with your work for the day, remove the hose, let that waste tank breathe, and then you won't have that awful smell in the morning. It'll really be minimized, especially in the summer. Sometimes you just can't avoid it, but minimize. Okay, so let it breathe, and it'll really help with that. All right, so we did end up moving furniture for this customer. We don't do it as a policy, but she's 95 years old and it wasn't that bad, so we want to make sure we put tabs down. That way it doesn't get any furniture stains or anything like that. Make sure when you clean carpets you do it in a pattern. Random cleanings, just kind of not having a pattern, makes it really likely to miss an area, miss a spot. And like I said, on white carpet, it's going to stand out like a sore thumb, and you're going to have to come back. Sorry guys, haven't had it happen a few times, and so I'm very, very thorough on doing white carpets now. All right guys, that's it for this one. Go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, comment, see you in the next one.